The following program was recorded at ARC Advisory Group's annual World Industry Forum in Orlando, Florida. I'm pleased to welcome Editor-in-Chief of Supply Chain Brain, Russell Goodman.
Hello. Beyond traditional collaboration, a multi-enterprise business process network. Here to speak with us about that today is Todd Walker, Product Marketing Director at One Network. Todd, welcome.
Thank you, Russell.
Todd, for those who may not be completely familiar with One Network, what is it? What does it do?
One Network is a provider of multi-party, multi-enterprise planning and execution software delivered via the cloud.
Well, now I understand that One Network has a brand new release. Now, walk us through that. What's it all about? What does it do?
That's right. We recently announced the release of our Community Procurement 2.0 application. Community Procurement 2.0 is a multi-party, many-to-many procure-to-pay network that provides full order lifecycle visibility and collaboration across the extended supply network. For example, customers can leverage community procurement to auto-generate predictive orders, validate orders against contract terms and sourcing policies, and flow orders down the entire supply chain to co-manufacturers, co-packers, and raw material suppliers.
Well, now, is this solution something that is applicable to all kinds of supply? In other words, is it applied to spares or to raw materials, et cetera? And does it automate the invoicing process as well?
Yes, that's a good question. The solution was designed to support any procurement model, including direct material procurement, indirect material, MRO, and spare parts replenishment. And regardless of the procurement type, the solution will manage the entire order lifecycle process through invoice management and payment.
Let's just make sure that we understand the terminology that we're using here. You referred to many-to-many or a multi-party solution. So what exactly does that mean?
Sure. So in the concept of multi-party, traditional supply chains have been designed as multi-echelon supply networks where manufacturing companies share information and move material between multiple distribution centers, plants, contract manufacturers, and raw material suppliers that are located in different geographical locations. With the One Network solution, because it's a multi-party solution, all network participants can leverage the same network platform to collaborate with all of their trading partners on a single demand signal. So for example, a contract manufacturer can create a single purchase order that flows down the entire supply chain so that all parties have visibility into that purchase order. The solution, based on its permissibility model, will restrict sensitive data from the different participants in the network.
Now, clearly, people involved in supply chain management are going to be very, very interested in this solution. When is it going to be available?
So the solution is available in production today. In fact, we have multiple CPG and government agencies using the tool in production today.
Walk us through now the benefits that you feel that supply chain managers are going to realize from the use of this technology.
Sure. So today we've got two major customers leveraging the solution, Domani and the U.S. government GSA.
You got some success stories involving either one of those that you can share?
Right. So within the next couple of weeks, Domani will have over 600 co-packers, co-manufacturers, raw material suppliers, and carriers on the One Network community procurement solution. Likewise, the GSA is leveraging the tool to exchange EDI transactions with high volume suppliers. And we expect that utilization to increase significantly to potentially tens of thousands of vendors in the future. And while neither company has released or made public quantifiable benefits of the solution, both enterprises expect significant improvements in inventory cost reduction, operational efficiency, and overall customer service improvements.
Todd, it occurs to me that a viewer might say, listen, there are any number of traditional supplier portals out there already, so how is this solution different? What do you say to them?
Sure. So traditional supplier portal solutions were built on a simple transaction backbone that allows companies to generate purchase orders out of their ERP system and distribute them via the supplier portal tool. While one network has a transactional infrastructure, we also provide enterprise-ready business application services to drive additional improvements to the procure-to-pay cycle. For example, we have a replenishment engine that will take forward demand forecasts and convert them to predictive orders, validate those orders against contracts, and flow those orders down to the supplier, where the supplier can generate invoices, and we perform three-way matching and payment services.
Final question. Folks that are considering leveraging technology to improve their supply chains, what do you say to them?
I would say consider the complexity of your supply network. Do you have multiple distribution centers, plants, contract manufacturers, raw material suppliers that are located geographically all over the world? And if so, consider technology that provides a multi-party solution where all participants in your supply network can leverage a common single platform or single version of the truth.
Well, Todd, it's been a pleasure speaking with you. Thank you for meeting with us today.
You're welcome, Russell.
That was Todd Walker, One Network. He was speaking with us today about a multi-enterprise business process network. Thank you for watching.